Hi guys, Dave there, Jjrc Hobby Reviews. Let's check out this X Shine by Jjrc. It's a GPS brushless motor drone. Has obstacle avoidance. They have all your features that the GPS can provide you. Today we're just going to test out some video, a couple snapshots, and some return to home. We're going to try to return to home about 3 times if we have enough battery life. So enough talking, let's get it in the air and see how she flies. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, that was smooth. Look at that. How cool is that? Nice. Okay. Get it up in there. Getting windy. We'll look at the tree so you can see. It's handling it okay. Got some video action. Click on the video. A little bit wobbly, but it looks really clear, guys. Let's do a slow 360. The image is recorded from the drone to your phone. There's no SD card on these. Okay, I'm going to shut down the video and take a couple snapshots. There's one. And there's 2. Alright, let's get her a little further out. Boy, the wind's really picking up. Good range, in my opinion. A little more altitude. Wow, look at it go. You can see it in that cloud okay. Shows up really well. Okay. This is the first return to home test. There it comes. Hope you can see it. Seems to be working okay, guys. There's the landing pad. There's the drone. It's looking pretty close. I think we're looking at about a 12-foot radius on these here. Okay, I'll go ahead and stop that. I want to land it in the grass. It's kind of tall. I need to mow yet. Alright, let's get her back up there and do another one. Change the speed though. Put her in second gear so I can fight through the wind a little stronger. Wow, look at it go. Let's take a little lap. Wow. And the cruiser. Nice. Very cool. And you can't beat these drones for the money. It's so cheap. Like $53 for this one too. Okay, return to home number 2. Now this one don't turn around, it just comes straight back and then straight down. Which is okay, it gets the job done. I do like it when it spins around and comes back at me. In the forward position. Then turns around and lands, but it doesn't have to for it to work. And the flight time on these are excellent. And you're getting like 10 to 15 minute flight out of them. Especially if you're not racing with it. Like say if you're out, want to take some video and some pictures, You can fly it for a good 15 minutes, I would say. And it gives you about 30 seconds to land it, so once your battery alarm goes off, make sure you get her in quickly. Okay, it's maintaining about a 12-foot radius there. Let it get down a little bit lower and then I'm going to stop it. Nice. Okay. Back out there. One last return to home. There we go. Nice. Jjrc X-Shine, guys. Very cool. This one looks even closer than the last two, or the first two. You gotta lock in some more satellites. 15 satellites. Still not on the money, but close enough. Very cool. Oops. There we go. That is the X-Shine by Jjrc. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye.